7/9/2013, 1:30 p.m. We're updating the bull. Yes, we haven't put any updates lately. We've done it with people on our other systems, but with vacation and a fourth and whatnot, we're back to updating you on the TQQQ on the daily bull, and that we're right up here coming back into play at 71.79, and it's an ETF, just so people know. I'm going to show the weekly. One thing about it is a TQQ is above the 10-week moving average. It got through above that resistance level, and it's coming back up toward the major top on the reversals. This major top was on 610, and the high was 73.58. This high here for the week, and it's a weekly one, for 617, the high was 73.1. It was lower. But the original all-time high from that reversal that we called for was 77.4 for the bull TQQQ ETF. And that's a big, big ETF that people buy. It gives them some diversification. It covers lots of different things to be involved. Here is what it was up today, 1.83%, plus $1.29. You can see that the ranges, the volume for this to me seems lighter, but nonetheless, it's above the 10-week moving average. That's a bull run for the bull, and that's why it's a bull ETF. It tells you Pro Shares Ultra Pro, TQQ. So we got above resistance. That's on the weekly. We're overbought. I'm going to take a look at the 60. We got up here. We had the last hour distribution bar on that. In the short term, we are overbought. I just want people to know that we are in an earnings season, and the volatility is going to increase more than what you have seen since May 22nd. This was the downside volatility. We were getting long down here, and the low on that, just so people know, was 60.86 right here, and that was the calendar week of what? 6/24. I mean the day, so that's the daily calendar of 6/24. And from 6/24, we had that big reversal. This is that counter bull. This is a bull upside volatility. That was the bear volatility. Now, with going into major earnings, and we know that the earnings are going to be anemic growth, period. So, we hit the upper end of this. We're going to be taking a look at, you can buy calls on the bull and you can buy puts on the bull, both. So one of the ways to play the bull when it gets a reversal like this is like we did before and gave out all our alerts to all our big traders and even our small MMTs. It doesn't matter who you are or what size of account you have. What it does matter is that you're getting involved when things are right. So there's a way that we will teach you how to buy calls and puts. And right now, we're going to be looking at where this particular put option at the current strike level, and I'm going to pull it up right here. It's going to be a 720. It's a monthly, and it's a $71. And it's a put option. And I'm going to put this in a daily so you can see it. You can see that these contracts were up here. They don't move a lot, but they're awfully deflated down here at $3.80. So that's what that chart looks like. We'll look at the option chain, and we'll continue to look at where, because once this bull starts to reverse, that means the Nasdaq will reverse and the Nasdaq 100. So there is the daily resistance level is going to be coming up. The next one is going to be 72 point, let's say right around that 75 area. So it closed at 71.79. Then we'll start burning off at that 73.5, right below the 774 area, right where the breakdown happened from the initial breakdown. That was like the lower, this high was much lower in value than the other two high reversals. That's the upper end of that resistance level on the TQQQ.